The main sort of components, the main pillars I'm sort of trying to teach people is balance and traction and control. Balance, traction and control. Well, my theory is if you've got balance, traction and control, you can do pretty much anything on a dirt bike. Whether that's going flat out down a dirt road, whether it's riding up and over logs, whether it's going through a corner, climbing a hill. If you've got balance and traction and control, you'll get away with it. As soon as one of those things leave, it's all over. So pretty much every technique that we're trying to teach the guys is different ways of maintaining those three things in different situations. I've been lucky to be able to travel around the world and do these schools in a lot of different countries, a lot in sort of Central America, Latin America, those sort of places. Obviously a fair bit in South Africa when I was over there, and in the last couple of years we're doing more and more in Australia. The best thing about my job, I reckon, is I meet a whole bunch of people, show them a whole bunch of stuff and leave them way more stoked to be riding motorbikes at the end of it. And that's an awesome gift to be able to give people.